Imagine you've just scored a huge windfall. Maybe it's a lottery win, an unexpected inheritance, or a lucrative business deal. You're sitting there, staring at your bank account, feeling like a millionaire. But then reality sets in. You realize that you can't just transfer all that money to your personal account in one go. There are limits, restrictions, and regulations in place to prevent fraud and money laundering. So, if you're wondering about one of those limits, specifically the transfer limit for Stash, you've come to the right place. What is Stash? Before we dive into the transfer limit, let's quickly recap what Stash is. Stash is an investment app designed to make investing accessible to everyone. It allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares with as little as $5. It's a popular choice for beginners because of its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Transfer limits on Stash. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the transfer limit on Stash. The transfer limit on Stash refers to the maximum amount of money you can transfer into or out of your Stash account at any given time. This limit is put in place to ensure the security and integrity of the platform. The exact transfer limit can vary depending on a few factors, including your Stash account type. Different account types may have different transfer limits. For example, a basic account might have a lower limit than a premium account. Your funding source. The method you use to fund your Stash account can also affect the transfer limit. For instance, transferring from a bank account might have a higher limit than using a credit card. Stash's internal policies. Stash reserves the right to change transfer limits at any time. How to find your transfer limit. If you're unsure about your specific transfer limit on Stash, there are a few ways to find out. Check your Stash account settings. Look for a section that provides information about transfer limits and restrictions. Contact Stash customer support. Reach out to Stash's customer service team for a definitive answer. Factors affecting transfer limits. While Stash's internal policies play a significant role in determining transfer limits, there are also some external factors that can influence them. Federal regulations. Stash must comply with federal laws and regulations, which can impact transfer limits. Market conditions. In times of market volatility or economic uncertainty, Stash may impose stricter transfer limits to protect its users. Tips for managing transfer limits. If you frequently find yourself hitting Stash's transfer limit, here are some tips to help you manage it more effectively. Plan ahead. Anticipate your funding needs and make sure you have sufficient funds in your Stash account to avoid reaching the limit. Consider alternative funding methods. If your current funding method is limiting you, explore other options, such as transferring from a different bank account or using a debit card. Contact Stash for assistance. If you're facing significant challenges with transfer limits, reach out to Stash's customer support team for help. So, there you have it. The transfer limit on Stash is a crucial factor to consider when using the platform. By understanding the factors that influence this limit and taking proactive steps to manage it, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free investing experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.